most stocks closed the day higher after the Federal Reserve said the economy is on the mend, and gains in metal prices helped offset declines in energy companies and banks. For more details about the market, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah?
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, and the big headline, the Federal Reserve saying the economy saw improvement. The Fed's Beige Book report saying the economy improved modestly across the U.S. from October to mid-November as consumer spending increased. And that led many of our industrials like Alcoa, also Home Depot and Verizon to gain more than 1% on the day. You can see Alcoa doing quite well on the day, the big gainer, and DuPont as well doing well. Material stocks also among the gainers as gold rallied to a record, and that lifted metal producers. We also saw copper climbing to a 14-month high, while zinc, lead, and even tin also advancing. So many of those material stocks putting in a pretty impressive performance. But it was a very different story for many of the energy stocks. This was after crude oil and gasoline plunged after a government report showed inventories climb last week as consumption declined. Crude oil for January delivery falling $1.77 or 2.3%, settling $76.60 a barrel. However, you do have to remember crude oil prices still up 72% this year. And J.P. Morgan Chase falling on an analyst prediction that revenue may fall by $3 billion if most derivatives trades move to exchanges. So we really kind of saw the push and pull of the market today. Another factor that a lot of investors are looking at is the fact that the market has been up now for 9 months. In fact, the market has rallied 64%, and that has pushed valuations to about 22 times the earnings for companies in the S&P 500, and that is the most expensive level since 2002. Analysts expect full-year earnings in the S&P to drop 11% on average before rebounding 22% next year. That's it from here at the exchange. Pim, now back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting.